Hello! Today we are going to be trying saving our planet and fixing wallet by repairing this absolutely beautiful broken customer return from company called Parkside, and it is a water garden hose with automatic retracting reel. So you are attaching here your attachment, you are watering your plant, and when you are done, you are pulling it, and it is winding back, or at least it should, in the vertical position, and it is totally decluttering your garage. This is a broken unit. As you can see, it looks like a brand new, but if you take a look here, this is the connection that is making our hose onto the system, and that go into your faucet, and it is ripped. It is ripped from that element. It should go like this, but as you can see, it is looking pretty bad, and I grab my set for attaching the crimps, and we are going to be trying fixing it and maybe saving it. And here are the clamps that I've got and tool for attaching them. So let's give it a try. First we need to remove our cover panel, and for that we are going to be using a flathead screwdriver, and we go like this, and here we can see that our part is actually snapped from that piece. So it is not just a matter of cutting it, because here we've got a different diameter. Let me remove it. So we've got O-rings, and it is nicely looped. So yeah, this is becoming complicated. Let me cut that hose. And the question is, are we going to be able to stuff it onto the external part, or we can use a larger hose and create some reduction. Here is also a different unit. Maybe this one is going to be wider. Let me check how much it can expand. And if I take a look here, I think there is a chance that it will go on over it. Let me grab some hot water, boiling hot, and let me try to make it a little bit softer. And maybe we will be able to call it a day. Here I've got boiling hot water, and this is exactly what you want to use. You should never use like a torch, because you can damage the hose. With this you've got almost 100 Celsius degree, nicely evenly softening the rubber without any risk of damage. So this is exactly what you would like to do. In meantime, we can search for the largest diameter of hose clamp and see, are we getting any chance of fitting it at all, because I've got feeling that it might be too small, but looks like we've got a lot of room, so maybe we should even grab a smaller one. That one looks smaller, but it might be too small when we add the hose, so I will stay with that one and we will give it a try. Is it soft? Yes, it is very soft. Let's give it a try. Will it fit? It really don't want. So we might get a problem. Yeah, it is going. But I don't feel this is safe enough. Let me repeat our process. I think my try to expand it. And in my personal opinion, I feel this is safe enough to hold it. Of course, I'm going to be shutting down water after I'm done, so it's not going to be constantly pressurized. Let me try to thread in. So if this go like that, this on the side. Let's check the dimension. I think this is too wide. And nice squeeze. And this is what we've got. So you have to tell me it will not go anywhere. I can promise you that. You can see what is happening. Yeah, this is going to be good. I will try to add the lube on the O-ring. We go like this. Keep in mind those screws are not holding pressure. The O-ring do. So it is not goal to tighten it down like extremely hard. And it looks even better when it was leaving the factory. Here we've got more of those. So we go like this. And we are ended up with that. So here we need to put this guy back. Let's try to reuse some heat. And someone throw it out and most likely return. And looks like we managed to fix it and save our planet. So you go like this. This go to the internal. We need to fix that guy because this can develop leak. Those teeth are evening the force, so it is critical. You see that small thing? Will it fit? perfectly. Just take a look at this. And now, the only thing that we have to do is pressurize it and make sure it is not leaking. But in my personal opinion, we've got a very good chance of success. We are ready to give it a try. The inspector is giving green light, as you can see. Yes, everything is checked out. Let's attach it into our faucet. Here I will add a valve, just like that. And let's try pressurize the system. And inspector, what do you think? Can you see water leak? This is the worst case scenario when we've got full pressure. But I cannot see anything leaking. And the beauty of that is it is hard to do on hand, but you can pull it like this. And let's check it. Yes, we've got water. So absolutely amazing fix. We managed to save it from the landfill. This is exactly what you would like to do. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.